Hi there, welcome to a new drawing. Margot, what do we want to do today?
Cute puppy.
A cute puppy?
Because last time we done a cute kitten and today I want to have a cute puppy.
Oh, makes sense. Okay.
And then I can cut them out and then I can play with them. Then they can play cat.
Oh, okay. Good enough. So let's start. Okay. We start with a big circle for the head. As usual, we start to, trying to get the space in our paper and just put down some reference with your pencil, and then we go trying to shape out the body. So in this case, let's see if we can make it over already with the paws. Okay, and let's go in here, and let's say that we do some cute and round paws, and then we have the back legs, so we make it to be very cute and round, and a little bit here for symbolizing the back legs. And then we go, okay, in the middle of the face, as usual, we create the nose for having it, to shape the face and the center of the face, and a little bit of a couple of curved lines just for shaping the mouth. And in this case, eventually it will be even cuter if we make him with the tongue out. And then the eyes, we make them to be closed, so he will look like he's very happy, a very happy puppy. And then we can put one ear to be, up, and the other one instead, I would really like to have it a bit down, so it will be very cute. Okay, and eventually we can put a collar, and let's say a little heart necklace attached to the collar. Okay, so let's start to use the marker so we can make it more visible. And eventually one thing that we forgot are the paws in here. And oh yes, we forgot to create the gummies. What puppy is a puppy without gummies? So this little bit of changing here, and there we go. Okay, so let's see how it goes with the marker. do you think, guys? I think that's it. We can just, quickly rub out the pencil out of it. Just when you do it, very, very delicate manner, because it could actually make everything else to be out. Okay, that's it. And there you go. I think that's pretty much done. Okay, do you like it? Yeah, okay. Well, guys, see you at our next picture. Bye!